Booty me down, down. Booty me down, down. Booty me down, down. Booty me down, down. Booty me.
She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Today I'm doing a video that I've never done before, but I've wanted to always do it. Twerk. I was randomly on YouTube one day and I came across a video, Ceraadi dance tutorial, how to twerk, and they just gave me life, y'all. And I was like, if they can do it, I can do it. If they're telling us how to do it, they're giving us the fundamentals, step by step, different genres, there's no way I can't do it. Bitch, I wish somebody would have told me, bitch. It ain't for everybody. I'm gonna tell you that right now. It ain't for everybody, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all through this dance tutorial. I'm gonna take y'all step by step with me of what I did and what I thought I was doing, y'all. Let's go ahead and see how I did.
All right, tally up. Formation, okay? You don't want to be super arch. You kind of want to be leaning forward a little
Okay.
bit. Put your hands on your knees.
Okay.
And you're doing like a little
Hurry up, this burns.
The same as a beat. It's like boom,
Boom,
boom.
boom, 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 boom. Wait. I lost it.
Yeah. So
Up, down, up, down.
up, down, up.
Okay.
Think that's ugly, but that is for the more advanced twerkers.
Okay, I'm not there yet.
It has an effect. But if you're a beginning twerker, don't do it because you look like Bob's Burgers. So this is
Okay.
all in the lower back.
They said right here.
The bounce. Okay? Like a general basketball. You pop it up.
Boom.
Up,
Up,
down.
down,
So you kind of
up,
back and
down,
forth.
up.
Yeah, you hit the volleyball up. Yeah.
Y'all.
This little thing on your back right here.
Hey, make it pop. Make it pop.
Now,
Okay.
you can either throw it up or you can throw it down. There's also
No one ever told me how many wedges we get trying to twerk. Okay. Next, let's keep going.
down twerking.
I want to learn. Oh, whoa.
Okay, so not like a press, okay?
I can't do that. Why does they make it look so easy?
Okay. So the down twerk is for more of like a heavy, like bump that bass.
Okay. Boom, boom,
And then throw it
boom,
up.
boom.
It's kind of like, hey, bitch,
Okay, I see.
So up and then it's easier. This is kind of
No.
like this one.
This hurts. I'm one of these, so I'm out of breath. I need to just hear from the little booty.
You better watch out, because love is getting bigger by the second in the length.
Whoever came up with this fucking Ceraadi bitch. Listen, I'm real life tired, bitch. Like my thighs burn. Bitch, cut this off.